Hello, I'm Ullah. I'm from Pakistan and I'm going to present my CS50 project. I have coded a program in Python programming language. Main objective of my program is to search various keywords within hundreds of PDF files simultaneously and return frequency of each keyword, that is, how many times each keyword is written in a particular PDF. This program can use list of keywords which I have already stored in a CSV file and search them all in the PDF files which are stored in a certain folder. But what if the author of PDF have not used the exact keyword which I have provided? He or she might have used some variation of the word or might have used some different spellings. In order to overcome this issue, my program will not only show the results of the keywords, but it will also display the remaining words of that PDF along with their frequency. In order to keep my results useful and simple, it was important to eliminate common English words such as is, was, were, has, have, will, shall, and the like from the analysis. To achieve this goal, I have created a dictionary of commonplace words that I wish to omit from my search. In my system, I've created a folder on the D drive. The name of the folder is PDF. Of course, you can change the paths through the program. The files I have stored in this folder, first of all, there is a file, txt file, text file named dictionary.txt. This file contains all common English words which I want to eliminate. Second file is terms.csv, comma separated file. This file contains all those words which I definitely want to search in each PDF file and want to know how many times these words have been repeated. And of course, there are hundreds of PDF files also stored in the same folder. How my program shall work? It will be very simple, apparently. First of all, it will open dictionary.txt and terms.csv and load all the words into system's memory. Then my program will open the first PDF file and would start searching the words I have provided in terms.csv, and at the same time keep ignoring the words which are mentioned in dictionary.txt and keep counting their occurrences, how many times each word is being repeated in the file. So when the system will search all the terms which I have provided, then it will copy the results in a designated list in system's memory. It will be the first part of my search. Then again, PDF will be searched for, not searched for, rather it would be analyzed that what remaining words are written in the PDF file and how many times those words are appearing. Frequency of each word shall be recorded, and all these results will be sorted, will be arranged in descending order based on their frequency, means the word which is being most frequently used in that PDF shall appear at the top of the list. It will be the second part. Now, the first and second part will be joined, and these two lists will be combined in a result file. Name of the file will be results.csv. And this process shall be repeated for all PDF files which are present in the folder. So let's go to the system and see how this program works. This is the folder in my system. This folder contains a number of PDF files, which are basically research papers, text-based files, in which we are going to search different terms and also check how many times these terms have been repeated. This folder also contains dictionary.txt, which is basically the list of words which I do not want to include in my search. This is quite a long list, more than 1,000 words, I guess. And there's another file which contains all those terms which I want to definitely search in these PDF files. And this is my code. This is basically the test file. No, this is my project file. As you can see that I have heavily commented my coding. Have written comment against almost each line of the code, telling the reader what I intend this program to do. And this is my test file, which is going to test different modules of my program. So let's see if it works. Let's go back to the project and run it in Python. All right. It has shown a message. Depending upon number of PDFs, processing may take few minutes. Please wait. So we are going to wait, but to save your time, I'm going to skip few frames here. All right, now this program has finished working. As you can see, it has shown a number of dots in the terminal window. Each dot represents one PDF file which has been processed by this program. And when all the PDF files have been processed, then the message has been appeared, job finished. If I go back to my folder, there's a new file which is named result.csv. This file contains our output. Let me make it a bit readable. It's a CSV file, so we need to make it readable by a few changes here. Let me make few changes. This file contains 4 columns. First one is serial number, which represents the number of PDF processed by the program, then the name of the PDF file. Third column contains the term which I wanted to search in my program, and the last column contains the frequency of that word. These first two terms were mentioned in the terms CSV file, and these two terms were found in this PDF. First term was repeated twice in the program, and second term was repeated 131 times in the program. Remaining terms were not found. After that, this program has shown the text of the PDF file, but in the order of frequency. The first term was repeated most of the times, and then in a decreasing manner, there are other words which have been mentioned in that PDF file. This output file is already very long, so in order to keep it simple, I have restricted my frequency up to 10. If I include the frequency of below 10 words, then it would be even longer. So this is the end of the first PDF. Now the second PDF starts from here, and again the terms which I have mentioned in terms.csv, and after that those words which are available in that PDF file, and this goes down, 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 and this is the end of our second PDF file, and then third PDF file starts, and so on. This is quite a long result. It contains almost 11,751 results. So this was the output. I hope you like the program, and thank you for watching.